T70 tablet PC plus phone. And in this segment, I want to show us how to use your 3G connection to browse the web. Now, if you're using 3G, you have to ensure that your APN settings are correctly configured. Again, these devices are they're unlocked, so you can always use the APN settings for your GSM or 3G networks, and have that configured on your tablet. Once you do that correctly, you will see on the top here, you'll see the R3G signal showing that there is data connection to your 3G network. Now with that, you can just go ahead and browse. Okay, so in this case, it takes us to to the site of interest, in this case to Google. All of this, we're using the 3G network. Again, there's no wireless connectivity, so it's all legit. If you go to CNN.com and hit go, it takes you to, of course, the CNN website via using 3G. Okay, as you can see here, this is Mitt Romney. Of course, he won yesterday's Florida's election, as you can see here. So everything here is good for him, and everything is also good for my tablet, because I can actually read that that victory song for Romney. Not that I support him, though. Well, let's not go into politics. But this is it, basically. You have your device now able to connect with your 3G network. Depending on the location, in this case here, I'm getting both. I'm getting both the 3G signal and the H signal. The H signal means that you have you're enjoying the fastest speeds. The 3G signal is a step lower, but it's all good. Okay, so that's how to browse. And if we go back now to other stuff, I believe it's also good for you to know too that you can also disable the 3G option on this device, and you can do that, of course, if you want to save save money. And how to do that basically is that if you want to disable your data connection temporarily, you can go to, let's go back and go to wireless and networks. You scroll down to mobile networks at the bottom here, and then you go to data enabled. You just uncheck that. It's currently checked. Once that is unchecked, then you will not you wouldn't be billed for usage at that time. So for some of us that have the prepaid internet service via 3G, you can save money by disabling that, okay, by clicking on this guy here. Alright, now another way how to save money too is, of course, going to a hotspot. And if you are in a hotspot, what happens is that your 3G connectivity would temporarily be disabled as well. So Wi-Fi will take precedence over 3G. In this case here, the Wi-Fi is off, right? So I'm going to tap this now to turn it on. So it's turning on. It's now getting the IP address from my router, and it's connected to my router. And as you can see here, where's the 3G? The 3G is gone, right? So whenever there's a hotspot available, and if you connect to the hotspot, your 3G services or your connection via 3G will be disabled temporarily. Of course, and that makes sense because you want to save costs. Alright, so if we go to the home page here, we go back to our browser, and let's say we want to go to I love going to BBC, and that is BBC right here. So right off the bat, you have now the ability to browse from home using your Wi-Fi connection, or if you're away and you have Wi-Fi in the hotel, you can do that, and then your 3G temporarily gets disabled. Okay, so that's a tip for you on how to use your 3G using the tablet PC, and also tips on how to save some additional bandwidth. If that's a concern for you, that is the best way how to do that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.